Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel, you gorgeous people out there. If you have never seen my face before, hi, I'm Becky. It's nice to meet you and I hope you'll stick around for a while and enjoy my video. Today I have the struggle that everybody probably has at least once or twice a year. I mean, at least. I mean, seriously, I have this way more often, but my sister's birthday is coming up in literally 2 days and I have nothing. I have no idea what to get her and I'm so stressed over this. I really don't know what to do. She had been asking me for an acrylic painting of a butterfly, but she has so many butterfly themed things in her apartment. I think her boyfriend is sick of it at this point. I think even she gets sick of it at this point. So I told her I will never get her anything with butterflies ever again. I'm trying not to break this promise. This is where I got the idea, since she has another favorite animal, a turtle. I thought I would do a painting of a turtle and I wanted to be a bit personal and I want her to like it. So I really want to try to make this look good, and I have looked for hours on the internet to find a cute turtle pic that I could use as an inspiration. And I decided to go with like a baby turtle because that's even cuter than an adult one. I'm going to paint a baby turtle, or at least I'm going to try, swimming up to the surface of the water, trying to catch a breath. I'm usually better at drawing with a pencil. I'm not the biggest fan of painting and colors. I usually do black and whites and, as I said, pencils. So I hope it'll turn out good. I'm going to take you all along with me on the process, and you will see how I paint it, what I'll do and everything. I already kind of sketched a little baby turtle and I really don't have a plan yet. Y'all are gonna see what happens whenever it happens. So let's get my sister's birthday present done, please. I'm really under pressure for this, so we gotta hurry up. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is what I have going right now. I honestly still have no idea what I'm really doing, but the turtle I sketched beforehand is this one. voila, I think that is it. I think I'm done with it, and I think there's nothing more to add. Okay, one more thing. I could sit here for so much longer and just never really stop. Okay, so this is the finished product, I would say. What do y'all think? Do you think this is done? I think this is done. This is it. This is gonna be my birthday present for my sister. I hope you all like it. And now I'm going to let this dry overnight. Alright y'all, so that was it. I hope you all enjoyed watching me paint this baby turtle for my sister. I think it turned out better than I thought because, you know, as I said, I'm not that experienced in painting. I love drawing with a pencil way more, and I do that way more often. So I think for being basically a starter in doing acrylic paints, I like it, and I think anybody could really do this if they tried, if they take the time and maybe just cut out, like I did, cut out something that you printed out. I mean, I sketched the turtle beforehand, but if you don't feel like you are able to, or if you don't like it as much, maybe you can just print out a picture of a turtle, cut that out, and then you already have the overall shape of the turtle. And it will be easy if you just pay attention to the color placement and everything. And I think anybody would be able to do this. So I hope you all enjoyed. And I hope you're gonna have a great rest of your day and week. And I'll see you next Monday. Bye!